Glock19 Generation 5 9mm. Just got this one today. It is a law enforcement trade-in. Classic Firearms had these earlier this week, and I've never had a true Glock 9mm. The closest I've got is the 23 that has the conversion barrel. So these came on and price was really good on them. So I ordered it, and about 2 days later it has shown up at the FFL, where went in, did the background check and all that, and was able to take this one home. Plan to get it to the range in a couple of days and see how it does. We've had a lot of rain here, so even if I do get to the range, I don't know if I'll video it. Certainly not opposed to being on the range. Spent a lot of time on rainy and even icy ranges throughout my career. This one has the night sights on it. Once I get into a dark room, I'll see if they're still holding any glow. It's hard to tell right now. It only comes with one magazine, but not a big deal because I've got some spares for the 23 conversion already. It did come with the case and the paperwork, which is not a big deal, but it's kind of nice to get a case. If you get a chance, try out classicfirearms.com. I don't know if they have any left in stock, but they do get the Glock 19s and other models from time to time. Okay, we appreciate you watching, and if you like what we're doing, how about giving us a thumbs up and a subscribe?